Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you a quick tutorial on seam carving for content aware image resizing in MATLAB. So this is the code. It is a code for the following problem statement. So let's just run this file first and try to understand the output. Okay, we just click on run. Let's see the output. Okay, it's appearing a figure. So you can see this figure is shrinking. It is shrinking vertically. It is basically carving. You can see that. You can see the motion. After certain time it will start shrinking horizontally also. See, now it is shrinking horizontally. Okay. You can see that. Now it is expanding. Firstly it was shrinking, now it is expanding. You can see. First it was vertically, now it is horizontally. To get the original image back, okay, so it is done. So it was the original image before carving. Okay, let's see all the figures together. Okay, so this was the original image, this was the image when it was shrinking, and this was the image when it was expanding. So that was the output. Let's test this code in another image also. You can see this is the images in which you can try this seam carving. We have tried this code in van image. Now let's just test this code in york.jpg image. Now in file name we have to write york.jpg and remove this bmp. Now run this code. Okay, now you can see it appears a york and it is started shrinking. Firstly it is vertically, then after certain time it will start shrinking horizontally. Now it started shrinking vertically. Now it is expanding to get the original image. Firstly it is horizontally, firstly it is vertically. Now it started horizontally. Okay, and we get the original image. So you can see that this is the original image which we get after expanding and shrinking. Okay, now come to the coding part. It is a seam carving for content aware image resizing. So let's first understand what seam carving is. So seam carving is an algorithm for content aware image resizing which is developed by Shai Avidan or Mitsubishi Electric Research Laboratories and Ariel Shamir of the Interdisciplinary Center and MERL. It functions what this seam carving functions by establishing a number of seams. Seams are basically paths of least importance in an image, and it automatically removes seams to reduce image size or inserts seams to extend it. Seam carving also allows manually defining areas in which pixels may not be modified and features the ability to remove whole objects from photographs. So, the purpose of the algorithm is image retargeting, which is the problem of displaying images without distortion on media of various sizes, using document standards like HTML that already support dynamic changes in page layout and text but not in images. So basically this is for image resizing, and it functions establishing a number of seams in an image and automatically remove seams to reduce image size or insert seams to extend it. So that is seam carving. Now let's come to the coding part. In coding, we are giving the file name to the code, that is york.jpg, but at the first we gave it van.jpg when we were implementing, when we were testing the code for van image. Then we had given van.bmp. Now we are testing the image york, so we have given the name york.jpg. Now after that we are reading the image. I is equals to imread file name. We are reading the file by using imread function. Then we are shrinking the image. For shrinking we are iterating a loop for I is equals to 1 to n. In this we are removing the n and seams v. After that we are removing the n seams h. Then we are enlarging the image. That means we are now again we are iterating a loop and we are adding n seams v, and we are removing n seams h. It is just a vice versa process for shrinking and expanding. Then after that we are writing the enlarged jpg file and the seams.jpg file. So that was the code. You can test this code on any of the image in which you want to resize the image, in which you want to seam carving for content aware image resizing. So you can test this code on any of the image. You just need to provide the file name of the file and then perform this operations. Then you will get the seam carving. operations. So that was the code. Thank you for watching.